Welcome to VSK Business Consultant, new entrepreneurs and startup businesses of Chennai. At VSK Business Consultant, under the expert guidance of Vijay Mouli, who brings in unmatched 41 years of experience across retail, wholesale, manufacturing, distribution, and service industries, we recognize that true success stems from a blend of systematic planning, meticulous time management, and a deep understanding of core business principles. Many new entrepreneurs, driven by passion, jump in without these fundamental pillars, often leading to wasted resources, missed opportunities, and eventual burnout. Vijay Mouli's extensive background has proven time and again that systematic planning and rigorous time management are not optional, but essential for survival and growth. For any aspiring business owner in Chennai, VSK Business Consultant offers a complete, end-to-end solution, helping you build on a solid foundation, no matter your business category. For product-based startups, e.g., FMCG, electronics, apparel, handicrafts, his deep understanding of manufacturing processes, supply chain optimization, and distribution channels, wholesale and retail, is invaluable. VSK guides you from product development and sourcing to efficient production, inventory management, and reaching your target consumers effectively, all within a structured timeline. For service-based startups, e.g., its services, consulting, hospitality, healthcare, education, Vijay Mouli's extensive experience in the service industry equips him to assist with service model design, client acquisition strategies, operational efficiency, talent management, and delivering exceptional customer experiences, ensuring every step is planned and executed systematically. For e-commerce and digital ventures, leveraging insights from retail and distribution, VSK can help define your online strategy, optimize logistics, manage digital marketing, and scale your operations in the digital landscape, with a strong focus on time-bound project execution. Vijay Mouli's 10 top successful business tips for Chennai startups. Here are Vijay Mouli's 10 top successful business tips for any entrepreneur, especially those starting up in Chennai. 1. Solve a real, local problem. Identify a genuine pain point for consumers or businesses in Chennai. Don't just create a product, service, solve a problem. 2. Obsessive customer focus. Put your customer at the absolute center of everything you do. Understand their evolving needs, gather feedback relentlessly, and strive to exceed expectations. 3. Build a strong, adaptable core team. Surround yourself with individuals whose skills complement yours and who share your vision. 4. Master your unit economics. Understand the cost of acquiring a customer, the lifetime value of a customer, and your profit margins on each sale. 5. Embrace operational efficiency. Streamline your processes from day one. Whether it's production, logistics, or service delivery, efficiency reduces costs and improves customer satisfaction. 6. Strategic use of technology. Leverage technology not just for marketing, but for internal operations, data analysis, and process automation. 7. Cash flow is king. More than profits, managing your cash flow ensures your business can pay its bills and invest in growth. 8. Continuous learning and iteration. The business landscape is constantly changing. Stay curious, learn from failures, and be willing to pivot your strategies based on feedback. 9. Cultivate strong relationships. This applies to customers, suppliers, partners, and employees. Strong relationships built on trust and mutual respect are invaluable assets. 10. Persistence with purpose. Entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be obstacles. Maintain your vision, stay persistent, but always tie your persistence to a clear purpose and strategy. Connect with VSK Business Consultant. For new entrepreneurs and startup businesses in Chennai, VSK Business Consultant is pleased to offer a free consultation. This is your opportunity to leverage Vijay Mauli's unparalleled wisdom and kickstart your venture with a clear, strategic direction. Visit our website for more insights: www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. 9840-336-999. Trust VSK Business Consultants to guide your entrepreneurial journey from the initial spark of an idea to its successful execution and sustainable growth right here in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. We invite you to also connect with us on our social channels for valuable insights and updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Like our Facebook page. Follow us on Instagram.